Jai Gurudev student and good morning to all. Today, today we are going to start. We are going to commence our new chapter, directing. Directing is the third function of management. After staffing, after placing the right person into right job, third important function of management is directing. The meaning of directing or definition of directing is directing is concerned with instructing, guiding, instructing, guiding, inspiring, and motivating the employees of the organization so that their effort results in achieving of organizational goals. Once again, I am repeating, directing is the third function of management after staffing function. Management then focus on directing, and the meaning of directing is related with instructing, guiding, supervising, inspiring, and motivating the employees of the organization so that their effort leads to results in achieving the organizational goals. सिर्फ लोगों को राइट प्लेस पे राइट जॉब पे अपॉइंट कर देना इनफ नहीं होता. आप उनको बताएंगे, मैनेजमेंट इंस्ट्रक्ट करेगा उनको कि क्या काम करना है, मोटिवेट करेगा कि कितनी जल्दी काम करना है ताकि हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल गोल्स अचीव हो सके. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन इज characteristics or features of directing. Characteristics or features of directing function. Like the feature of management, like the feature of planning, like the feature of staffing, directing is also a continuing function. It is also a continuous function. It is never ending process. It does not end. Directing is a continuous process. Manager has to continuously guide, supervise, and motivate the employees or his subordinates. So it is a continuous function. Second one is directing initiate actions. Directing initiate actions. What is to be done, when the function is going to start, when the procedure is going to start. By giving directions or instructions, the manager get the work started in the organization. इसी के थ्रू मैनेजर्स जो होता है वो वर्कर को काम करने के लिए, स्टार्ट काम को कमेंस करने के लिए इनिशिएटिव पैदा करता है. थर्ड वन इज directing apply in every level. Directing takes place at every level of management. ठीक, whether it is top level management, whether it is middle level management, whether it is lower level management, it is pervasive in nature. That one is it applied or it directing takes place at every level of management. टॉप मिडिल को डायरेक्ट करता है, मिडिल लोअर को डायरेक्ट करते हैं, एंड लोअर वर्कर्स को डायरेक्ट करते हैं. थर्ड वन इज डायरेक्टिंग फ्लोज फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम. लाइक आई सेड, टॉप मिडिल को करता है, मिडिल लोअर को करता है, लोअर वर्कर्स को करते हैं. सो इट फ्लोज फ्रॉम, डायरेक्टिंग फ्लोज फ्रॉम top to bottom. Instructions, guidelines goes from top to bottom. Next one is directing is performance oriented. Performance oriented means directing convert the plans directing convert the plan into performance. Performance is the essence of directing. It is compulsory for directing. Directing function direct the performance of individual towards achievement of organizational goals. It is performance oriented. And the last one is, the last feature or characteristics of directing is human element. Human element means it involves study and molding of human behavior. Basically, to whom we are directing, to whom we are motivating, to whom we are inspiring, to whom we are guiding, human workers. So we influence the human behavior. We motivate the humans to achieve the organizational goals. First feature is continuous function. Second one is directing initiates action. Third one is directing takes place at every level of management. Fourth one is directing flows from top to bottom. Fifth one is it is performance oriented. And the last one is it relates to human behavior.